What's up, everybody? My name is Dana Harris with Young Gurus Math Tutoring, and I'm back again to drop some more math jewels. In this video, I'm going to show you how to solve systems of equations with no solution or infinitely many solutions. Now, remember, we're doing the same process that we were doing with solving equations. However, when you have a system of equations, there's two or more equations. All these examples are just going to have two equations. So here, now, it doesn't matter um, which process you use, because you'll see that the substitution method as well as the graphical method as well as the elimination method, there are three methods to do the same thing. Our goal is to find that point of intersection, or whether there is a point of intersection of the two lines. So here I'm going to use substitution because y is already isolated. So I'm going to say 2 times y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3, and then minus x equals 6. So distribute here. So 2 times 1/2 x is just x, plus 2 times 3 is 6, minus x equals 6. Well, x minus x is 0, so 6 equals 6. Now, since that is a true statement, that means there are infinitely many solutions. Okay, so infinitely many solutions. Well, what does that mean? That means that whatever number I decide to substitute for x and y, I will get the same value on both sides. But as far as the line, the graph of this, that means that these two lines are the same line. Okay, so basically, if I was to put this in slope-intercept form, I would get the same exact line. So whenever you have a system of equations with infinitely many solutions, that means that both equations are the same line. Okay, that's our first example. Okay, so remember, in a system of equations, infinitely many solutions means that they are the same line. Example 2, I have x equals negative 7y plus 34. And then I have x plus 7y equals 32. All right, well, x is already solved, so I'm going to simply say negative 7y plus 34 plus 7y is equal to 32. All right, so all I did was took this right here and substituted for x. All right, let me make sure I wrote that properly. I did. So now we can combine like terms. Negative 7y plus 7y, they're opposites, so they cancel. So I'm just left with 34 equals 32. Now, this is a false statement, so 34 is not equal to 32. So that means this one has no solution. All right, and when you have a system of equations that have no solution, that means those two lines never intersect. They will not intersect if we graph these two lines. Okay, so remember, two cases. If there's infinitely many solutions, then you have both equations are the same line. If there is no solution, then that means those lines never intersect. They don't have a point of intersection when you graph them. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Share this with a friend or someone that you know that could use the math help. I have several videos that people can use to get their help in math class, or if you're teaching it. However, I just want to help people around the world understand how to do the mathematics. Please remember, Young Gurus Math Tutoring. I got the solution to your math problems.